Meet Emmy, our intelligent assistant that transforms the learning experience. In this first example, we can see how Emmy is able to perfectly answer a question even without any prior context being given. Emmy responds directly and objectively, based on the institution's content. In this other example, it's interesting to see how Emmy can actually see what the student is viewing at that moment. In this case, the student simply asks about what's on the screen, this blue structure. Emmy is able to interpret the image in the video, identify which highlighted blue structure it is, and provide the student with a complete answer. Another very interesting feature of Emmy is its content recommendation capability. When asked, it responds with various links from the institution's own platform, so the student can go deeper. In this way, Emmy also becomes an ally in finding materials within the platform. Emmy can also take an active role in the student's studies. For that, it generates quizzes and flashcards that help train, engage, and reinforce the retention of the lesson's main content. In this example, we're showing the flashcards. The idea is to simulate a real experience. A question about a key concept from the lesson appears on the screen and, when flipping the card, the student sees the answer. They can then mark whether they got it right, wrong, or didn't understand. And in those cases, Emmy immediately opens a deeper explanation of that content. This way, we ensure that after watching the lesson, the student truly assimilates the most important concepts. And at the end of the exercise, we have an evaluation of the answers and recommendations of important points to review based on the student's results, thus building a personalized learning journey. In this example, we see that Emmy is also capable of handling more complex content, such as mathematics. Here we have the solution of an exercise on a board. Emmy interprets the image, understands the graph, comprehends what the question is asking, substitutes the values into the equations, and explains the solution step by step. This way, the student can follow the entire reasoning process through to the final answer. Now, we show how Emmy can also assist in reviewing content. Here, it generates a personalized summary of a specific class, helping the student recall and reinforce the main points studied. Now, we also want to show Emmy acting as a tutor in study planning. In this example, it builds a personalized study plan adapted to the student's needs. Emmy can take into account the available time, the content to be studied, and the person's goals. In addition to all this, Emmy offers a dashboard with essential data on how your content is being used, providing insights into student engagement, frequently asked questions, and learning behavior, helping you generate powerful insights to improve your business results. With this dashboard, you can view the main usage data of Emmy, the most frequent student interactions, which questions are being asked, when, and how, which subjects or lessons concentrate the most questions, and from there, extract powerful insights to enhance the teaching experience. This strategic view allows you to better understand students' needs and identify opportunities to improve your institution's learning platform. As you can see, Emmy is transforming the way students learn, making education more personalized, accessible, and intelligent. Ready to take your institution to the next level?